Got any words to say? What was that? That was so cute. Can you say it again? Can you say it again? That was pretty cool. Got big words to say to Mommy? You got any other words to share? Got anything else to say, Sweet Pea? Oh, that makes sense. It's awfully cool. That's very good. Good practice, sweetie. You got anything else to say?
I think that's where they started.
Mom can make a whole bunch of different words. I, E, I, O, U. Those are really important ones. Ooh. 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 Great job, sweetie. You did lots of good practice. Lots of good practice.